Hello marketers, as we have already seen how to create the custom dimension, now it's time to create the custom metrics. So the custom metrics follows the same process mostly as the custom dimensions, but let us see how do we create a custom metric. So custom metrics are used to customize and measure the custom metrics that we would like to measure for the different events that we send, and we can get the custom metrics listed out in these reports. So if you can see in the engagement and the events report, we have some predefined metrics that are used to analyze the event data. If we would like to use our custom metric over here in these reports, firstly we need to log a parameter uh, to an event and then use that log parameter to create a custom metric, and that log parameter must also be of the type integer or a number. As we have discussed in the types of parameters, a number parameter can only be created as a custom metric so that the custom metric can be measured. So, in the previous video, we have created a form submit event that would register an event when a form is submitted on our website. So here, along with these event parameters that we have, I'm also adding another parameter called the form underscore submits. So this is a form underscore submit, and I'm giving its value as 1. So I would like to measure or create a custom metric of this parameter, and whenever this generate underscore lead event is triggered or is performed by the user, this metric will also be incremented by the value 1. So I'm logging this parameter, and then I'm going to create a custom metric based on this logged event parameter, and the event parameters is an event scope, and we can create the event scope custom metrics. So now I'm saving this and I preview this one. Just see if this parameter is being logged to the event. So let us get to the contact us page, and then here submit a form. I'm just filling some details in order to submit the form. Now when I submit a form, I want to register an event called the generate lead. So I have registered an event named generate lead when this form is being submitted, and here we have these event parameters as a form, page path, and the form submit. So this is the parameter right now I'm using to create and custom event. The custom metric for my analysis. So in analytics, I'm getting back to the real-time reports, and I can see the event being logged here. So the generate lead event is logged here with the parameters that I have sent. That's the form and the form submit. The form has a value of the form name, the contact us, and the form submit. This is the parameter I would like to use to create a custom metric. So for in order to create a custom metric, the same way we get to the custom definitions, and then we have the tab called custom metrics, and here we can create a custom metric. So I'm just deleting the one I have created before, and I'm creating a new custom metric now, and I want to name it as form submit. And as of event scope, and the description is the number of form submits, and the event parameter I would like to select here is the one that I have sent right now, that is the form submit. Okay, let it be. It's not yet available, I think so. And let me name it right now. Once the data is available, then it would be taking this form underscore submit that I have logged as a parameter into this event parameter, and the event measurement would be standard. And I'm creating this as a new custom metrics. So this custom metric would track the number of form submissions that I get, and this metric can be applied to my reports through using the add comparison method. And then I can also have all these in my data. in the reports and use this custom dimension in the reports, and also in the analysis reports that I have. We can add this through this analysis report. We can create an analysis advanced report so that we can add a custom dimensions and custom metrics into that, and then create reports based upon those. So we can literally track the form submits as a metric, as GA4 is predefined tracking the new users or the engaged session. Similarly, after a few hours, the data would be updated, and we can get also a custom metric called the form submits, and we can identify the number of form submits that happen through a particular channel or particular campaign, and identify the number of submits we are getting from any particular dimension that we apply. This is main important and very important to use or create custom metrics. But the thing to remember is, firstly, we need to log an event parameter before creating a custom metric or a custom dimension. For the custom metric, the two things to be remember is, first, it should be a integer or a number parameter, and the other thing is it should have a unit of measurement. We need to specify a unit of measurement while we create the custom metric, and we can have the list of custom metrics created by us in this custom definition section in the custom metrics, and these can be edited, or like we can edit the metric name or the description by using this, and then we also can delete it if in case it's of no longer used. I hope you're clear with this, and we're going to get into more deeper into the other reports and sections. And right now, I hope you're more clear with the interface and the usage of the events, and creating the different dimensions and metrics, and also using the predefined metrics and dimensions available in the reports, and what are they meant actually, and how to create the reports, or which would include the dimensions and metrics that we customizedly created for our website. Thank you.